Yoo-hoo! Norman here. You might remember me from the show Ask Dear Abby, where I was looking for love. Well, I'm pleased to say that I did in fact find love, and it's all because of this dating app I tried called Whalin4Luv. It's a cool application on your cell phone where you set up a profile and in minutes you get matched with other animals. Also, it specifically caters its choices to your interests, so there's no swiping necessary, which can be pretty difficult for me to do as a narwhal. I'm not the only one who's had success with this app either. Just listen for yourself.
I was blind as a bat when it comes to matters of the heart, but then I discovered Whalin4Luv and met my better half, Sylvester Starla. We've been together for 3 lovely years and are closer than 2 peas in a pod.
So, if you're looking for love in all the wrong places, download Whalin4Luv in the App Store today and let those waves of matches roll in.